Hello and good morning. Welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, Birmingham. This morning something a bit unusual. Got a little Mazda MX5 2003. It's a 1.8 6-speed manual petrol. Beauty of this little pippin is it's done 27,110 miles from new. There's 9 services in the service book. We've just serviced it. At 24,000 miles, it had a cam belt replaced. It's only had 3 owners from new, and it has a long MOT. Finished in sunlight silver metallic. The car has an electric aerial, a Mohair hood with the heated glass rear screen. It has Pirelli tyres all round. Clearly had the alloy wheels re-powder coated properly at some time. Has electric windows, electric mirrors. Has the original Mazda radio CD player in there. Has black leather, heated seats. Has the Nardi steering wheel. It's the 1.8 sport model. Mazda fitted mats. Black leather, rollover bar with wind deflector, heated seats, as you can see, electric mirrors, electric windows, remote central locking alarm. Future classic this, in nice condition, obviously been very well cared for. Recently had a coil spring, rear brake caliper, nicely it's got matching Pirelli tyres all round, wheels refurbed, paintwork's good, hood's in great condition, it's not been a cheap plastic one fitted, it's a nice Mohair hood. Everything works, windows, mirrors, electric windows, electric mirrors, stereo. 27,118 miles currently. Nowhere to the driver's seat, the leather's in great condition. So all in all, I'll show you in the boot because it's lovely in there. Okay, nice and dry. If we take the carpet out, you can see boot floor, spare wheel. Just pop that back in. I think it goes that way round, something like that. Actually, I'll show you under the bonnet as well. Priced at £5,995. Quite unusual for one of these, 20-year-old car to have only had 3 owners from new as well. They're the sort of car where sometimes, they can have had 10 owners at this age. But all nice there. Not rotten. All messed with, nice, fairly original car. Has had some paintwork, all of these have, but generally, lovely example. £5,995, 2003 Mazda 1.8 Sport 6-speed manual, done 27,000 miles with 9 services and a long MOT. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to look at our other stuff, or visit our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Insta, or please go to YouTube, find Barclay Motor Company's channel, and this video and all of our videos for cars end up there. If you get there, please subscribe, then you'll get a little notification and be the first to see when we upload fresh stock. Thank you for watching.